Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an impressive piece of technology designed to enhance your driving experience, the THINKWARE Q200 Dash Cam with front and rear capabilities. We found this product online and have added a link in the description below for you to check the latest price and availability. The THINKWARE Q200 is a dual-channel dash cam that captures stunning 2K QHD video from both the front and rear of your vehicle. This means you'll get crystal-clear footage that highlights essential details like license plates and road signs, no matter the time of day or lighting conditions. Thanks to its wide dynamic range, WDR, and Super Night Vision 2.0 technology, you can feel confident that your dash cam will deliver quality recordings day and night. Now let's talk about some of the standout features of the Q200. First off, the dual front and rear cameras provide comprehensive coverage, making it ideal for various vehicles, whether you drive a car, truck, or minivan. The ability to record from both angles ensures that you capture everything happening around your vehicle, enhancing your peace of mind while driving. Another notable feature is the real-time safety alerts. When paired with an optional GPS antenna, this dashcam can notify you of speed limits and red light cameras. This is particularly useful for those who want an added layer of security while navigating busy roads. For those worried about their car while parked, the THINKWARE Q200 has you covered with its advanced parking protection modes. It can detect motion and impacts, automatically recording any incidents while you're away from your vehicle. With energy-saving features like time-lapse recording, you can ensure your car is monitored for extended periods without draining your battery. One of the things that make this dashcam stand out is its easy Wi-Fi and app control. The built-in Wi-Fi allows you to connect the Q200 to your smartphone using the THINKWARE Dash Cam Link app. This means you can view your recordings in real time, download footage directly to your device, and adjust settings with just a few taps. This feature is particularly handy for drivers who want to manage their dash cam on the go. So, who is the THINKWARE Q200 suitable for? If you're a daily commuter, a rideshare driver, or just someone who values safety on the road, this dash cam is an excellent investment. Its ability to capture high-quality video and provide real-time alerts can be invaluable in case of accidents or disputes. In practical use cases, imagine driving through a busy city with lots of traffic lights and pedestrians. With the Q200, not only will you have a record of your journey, but you'll also receive alerts to help you avoid potential hazards. Or perhaps you're on a road trip. The dual-channel recording ensures that every scenic view and memorable moment is captured from both angles. In conclusion, the THINKWARE Q200 Dash Cam is a robust solution for anyone looking to enhance their driving safety and security. With its impressive video quality, advanced safety features, and user-friendly controls, it truly stands out in the market. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.